Yo, what's up everybody? It's Richessepath. Today we're diving into how AI can help you make serious cash online. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, freelancer, or just looking to level up your income, AI is opening up new possibilities. So, if you're ready to unlock the power of AI and turn it into your money-making machine, hit that like button and let's dive in. Stay tuned as we explore the future of AI and finance. Let's kick things off with freelancing. In today's digital age, freelancing has become a popular career choice for many. The flexibility to work from anywhere, the ability to choose your projects, and the potential to earn a substantial income are just a few of the perks. But what if you could take your freelancing game to the next level? AI is changing the game by analyzing your skills and finding the perfect gigs for you. No more endless scrolling through job boards or sending out countless applications. AI can streamline this process, saving you time and effort. AI-powered tools can optimize your proposals, schedule appointments, and automate invoicing. These tools handle administrative tasks, allowing you to focus on what you do best. That means more time doing what you love and getting paid for it. Imagine having more free time to spend with family, pursue hobbies, or even take on more projects that excite you. Instead of replacing you, AI empowers you to work smarter, not harder. By automating repetitive tasks and providing valuable insights, AI allows you to focus on creative and strategic aspects of your work. Now let's talk about YouTube automation. In today's fast-paced digital world, staying ahead of the curve is crucial. YouTube offers immense opportunities for content creators, but the process of creating, editing, and optimizing videos can be incredibly time-consuming. YouTube is a goldmine for passive income, but creating content takes time. Imagine the hours spent brainstorming ideas, scripting, filming, and editing. This is where AI steps in to revolutionize the game. AI can script and edit videos, making content creation easier. Advanced AI algorithms can analyze trending topics, generate engaging scripts, and even edit your footage with precision. AI tools help generate video ideas, write scripts, create visuals, and do voiceovers. These tools can suggest creative concepts based on current trends and audience preferences. Optimize your videos for maximum visibility with AI-powered tools. These tools can fine-tune your video settings, ensuring optimal resolution, frame rate, and other technical aspects. AI analyzes keywords, tracks trends, and optimizes titles and descriptions. By understanding what your audience is searching for, AI can suggest the best keywords and phrases to include in your titles and descriptions. AI can also analyze audience engagement, tailoring content to their preferences. By examining metrics such as watch time, likes, comments, and shares, AI can provide insights into what your audience enjoys most. Let's dive into the fascinating world of digital products. In today's fast-paced digital age, creating and selling digital products has never been easier or more lucrative. With the power of AI, you can streamline the entire process from creation to sales. Imagine creating and selling digital downloads like ebooks, online courses, stock photos, and even music tracks. These products can be created once and sold repeatedly, generating a steady stream of passive income. AI can be your secret weapon here. It can significantly reduce the time and effort required to produce high-quality digital products. For instance, AI writing tools can help you write and publish high-quality ebooks in just a few days. These tools can generate content, edit, and even suggest improvements, making the writing process seamless. But it doesn't stop there. AI can also assist in designing eye-catching book covers, formatting your ebooks to professional standards, and even marketing them to the right audience. This ensures your product stands out in a crowded marketplace. Ultimately, AI can help you generate sales without lifting a finger, making the entire process of creating and selling digital products not only possible, but highly efficient and profitable. Finally, let's talk about affiliate marketing. Promote other people's products and earn commissions. AI can elevate your affiliate marketing game. Find the best products to promote with AI analyzing your niche and audience. Craft compelling product reviews and marketing copy with AI. Personalize campaigns, showing the right products to the right people. Track results and optimize campaigns with AI-powered dashboards. Maximize your profits with real-time insights. Let AI handle the heavy lifting while you enjoy the rewards. So there you have it, guys. AI can help you make serious money online in various ways. Explore AI tools, see what works best, and watch your income soar. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tech tips and money-making strategies. Until next time, peace out. Remember, the future is AI-driven, and the opportunities are endless. Dive into the world of AI and let it transform your financial future. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and share this video with your friends. Thanks again for watching, and until next time, peace out.